Hey everybody, Matthew of Mr. Domestic here to teach you a new crochet stitch. I've started working on this and it's gorgeous, amazing, I love it. People are already starting to ask for me to do a tutorial on it, so I decided to do it now. This tutorial is going to be about this wide double crochet. It kind of looks like a waffle or a grid. It's gorgeous, it's full, it's dense, super fun, super easy. So come over to my table and I will show you how to make this stitch be yours. But before we get into the content, make sure to thumbs up the video, like it, subscribe, all of that jazz. Now let's crochet! Okay, so now I'm going to get my double crochet on and I'm going to stitch the Afghan with a 6mm hook. However, for the first chain, I've moved up to the 8mm. That seemed to be the appropriate buoyancy to match the rest of the Afghan. Whenever I did it with the 6, it was too tight and it just felt weird, so I'm going up. So do that initial loop. Boom. Like this. Get the tension ready. Make sure I'm in frame. And then I'm going to chain 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have that chain. Ooh, beautiful. Now I'm going to take this out and switch over to the 6mm. And then from here, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That's just the beginning of the first double crochet. And now what I'm going to do is start double crocheting into the top of the loop. So you're going to go 3 over, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and then just insert it into that top of the loop, like so, to where it looks like this. Then yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, and that is your first double crochet. And now I'm going to do the entire chain going into the top, and how you can tell which one is the next one is the one you've just done has been stretched out. So now I'll go to the next one, which is this one, next to the stretched out one, insert that to where it looks like so, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then I'm just going to keep doing that. I'll do it in real time at first and then fast forward so you can see it. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, ta-da! Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, like this. Now I'm just going to keep going. Now I'm entering that last loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yay! And now you just flip it. Going the opposite, give it a tug, even it out. Boom, it looks like a little caterpillar. So now I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to chain 2 like this, and instead of going in the top loop, I'm going to go in the gaps. See, gap, gap, gap. So I'm going in between like the pillars of the double crochet that you just created, which will create the grid. So now I'm going to go in here, the first one. So I yarned over, pulled through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now there's the next gap. Yarn over, go into that gap, yarn over, pull through, see, boom, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, like so. Yarn over, insert into the next gap, there's what it looks like, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Boom, and now I'm just going to keep going until I get to the end. I'll do it in real time. At first, yarn over, see, boom. I'll keep going. there's one more gap right there. It looks a little tight, but remember not to skip it. Yarn over, go into the gap, pull through. That's what it looks like. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then flip it. Boom! And now you just keep going back and forth. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, like this, and then I'm going to double crochet into that gap. The yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, boom. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now I'll just continue. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then, once you get going, this is the beautiful texture that you are creating with these stitches. It's beautiful, it's fun, looks more complicated than it is, and you are going to love it. So now you can do this wide double crochet and have a blast. It's lovely and therapeutic and awesome, and I just watch my Netflix shows and sit on the couch and crochet, and hopefully you all will too. So if you enjoyed this video, liked it, got a laugh, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment telling me maybe what you're going to make with this or who you're going to make it for, and keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.